going to be looking at Paradigms by Sam Fender in standard tuning with a capo on the first fret. So the chord progression is pretty consistent throughout the entire song. It's mainly D for 1 bar, F for 1 bar, and C for 2 bars. And we're just going to be strumming down in 8th notes for most of the time. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F and 2 and 3 and 4 and C. D minor, F, C, C. So the kind of main rhythm in the song, it's not actually played on the guitar, sounds like this. So we have a down strum on 1, down strum on 2, then an up strum on the 3 and. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and. So D minor, 1, 2, 3 and F, 1, 2, 3 and C. C. So there's also a little linking section in the song where we kind of build the song up a little bit, and we're going to use the chords G for 2 bars and F for 2 bars. Now we're going to focus mainly on the bass strings as we're strumming down in 8th notes, just to emphasize the chord and build it a little bit more. So we have G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and straight down to the F chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then back through the verse, D minor, F, C. So there's one other section in the song, it's a little bridge section, and Sam's going to strum a C chord for 4 bars. We're going to strum 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then leave the C ringing out. And we're going to go to a G chord down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again focusing on the bass notes mainly. Then down to the F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and same thing for 2 bars, and then a C chord for 4 bars. For more Sam Fender guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching, good luck and take care.